Closing a credit card does not cause your score to decrease unless it affects your utilization. A credit card can be canceled without harming your credit score. Paying off your balances first is the key. Closing a credit card will not impact your credit history, which factors into your score. A potential score drop often occurs because closing a credit card can impact your credit utilization ratio. The ratio measures how much of your total available credit is being used. According to your credit reports, the more available credit you use per your reports, the worse the impact will be on your score. Here is a simple example of how closing a zero balance credit card could backfire. Credit card number 1 has $1,000 limit and $1,000 balance. Credit card number 2 has $1,000 limit and $0 balance. Your credit utilization on both cards combined is 50%, 1,000 total balances plus 2,000 in total limits, which is equals 50% utilization. Close credit card number 2 and your credit utilization jumps to 100%, $1,000 total balances plus 1,000 total limits equals 100% utilization.